Hi Group 4, here are your spelling words for your test this week. Number 1 is admit. If you did something wrong, please admit it. Admit. Number 2 is admission. The admission for the movie cost $10. Admission. Number 3 is permission. Please ask permission before using the bathroom. Permission. Number 4 is permit. To park downtown, you need a parking permit. Permit. Number 5 is explosion. In the action movie, there was a huge explosion at the end. Explosion. Number 6 is explode. In science class, we watched a video about a volcano that would explode. Explode. Number 7 is decide. In literacy intervention, you get to decide what you work on each day. Decide. Number 8 is decision. Whenever I pick out an ice cream flavor, it is always a hard decision. Decision. Number 9 is divide. Divide 36 by 9. Divide. Number 10 is division. In math class, we have been working on division. Division. Number 11 is conclude. After writing 5 paragraphs, I will conclude my writing. Conclude.